Hi, this is Charles Rossman, and thank you for joining us for this ESI-APPRAISE webcast on generating a gift tax valuation. What we'll do in the brief time together that we share today is I will take you through a gift tax valuation produced by our company, and then I will take you to our website and show you the easy methods you can use to generate gift tax valuation by yourself. So with that being said, let me minimize myself. Minimize our introduction, and I'm going to open up a gift tax valuation. This is produced using the Appraise software. I'd like to draw your attention to a couple of high points. So we have here gift tax valuation. The date of the gift was Monday, December 31st, 2012. And pursuant to the IRS regulations, we follow all of the estate tax laws when we produce a gift tax valuation. So as you can see here for this Ginnie Mae, we have the principal CMO paydown factor, and we have the accrual rate. So we have the security value and the accrual. You can see we decided to sort this portfolio by security type and CUSIP number. Okay, so this is our corporate bond section. And you have there a Fannie Mae. We have a Ginnie Mae with the value calculated and the accrual calculated. We have a U.S. Treasury bill, and for some reason the report says we are unable to price this issue. Let's see if we can find out why. And we also have a U.S. Treasury note right here. Okay. Beneath the corporate bonds or the government bonds, we have here common stocks. And we have a Bank of America. We have an iShares, for which we are showing the dividend of record. We have a Vanguard fund. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. And we see that. Now we have mutual funds. We have a BlackRock, and we have a California Insured Municipal Income Trust, again with security values, and this one with a carryover accrual right here. And we also have a New York City municipal bond. So this is a pretty comprehensive portfolio, and down here we have our grand total, security value, and accrual, and a little note here saying it was prepared using Appraise version 7.6 software. Let's go on to the next page of this report. This is what we call our supplemental report, and it gives you additional information which isn't necessarily required for the main report, but is of value to you, the preparer. So this tells you that issue number 1 was a CMO, issue number 2 was a CMO. In both cases, we're showing you the paydown factor and the accrual rate right here. Remember we have that U.S. Treasury bill didn't price? Well, the reason that Treasury bill did not price is that it's more than 7 days old, because the last price was on 1/12/2012, and it priced at par. So it looks like it matured, as you can see right over here. This tells you that our California Insured Municipal Income Trust Fund was unit investment trust, and any dividends included are of record but not yet paid. And that shows up in the carryover accrual. And the New York City bond was called on 5/31/2012 at par. So this is a very comprehensive gift tax valuation, following all the regulations which apply to an estate tax valuation. And you can get one of these reports from our company in a variety of ways. Let me minimize the report, and I'm going to take you to our website. Open this up. Our website is www.appriseng.com. And here are our products. And you can get a gift tax valuation prepared by our company using Appraise ASP. That is our cloud computing service. What we mean by that is all of the software exists on our computers at our headquarters. The data is stored on your computers within your infrastructure, and you have access to the Appraise software anytime, any place, so long as you have access to your internal network files. You get all the functionality of our software. You get all the latest updates automatically. It's scalable and portable. The next product I'd like to look at is Appraise Email Fax Mail. We have our estate valuations order form. We'll bring it up here. And in this situation, you would just fill out this form, pull this down here, indicate date of gift, put the date in here, indicate the type of service you want, regular service, indicate the delivery option, our normal is Adobe PDF, that's free, and then you would say submit by email, and the form would come directly to us, in which case you would also include on there your assets and anything else you need to add. So that's how the Appraise Email Fax Mail service works. Okay, let's go back. We have Appraise Web. This is a true web product. I'll click through to it very briefly. And in Lewis software, you can run this application anywhere. Your portfolios are stored on our computer. And the benefit of this, again, is it's always current. And you can either run with an account number or a credit card. It's Android compatible. It's Mac compatible. And we were reviewed by Wealth Management Magazine. And you can click on that review by going to wealthmanagement.com and learn more about it. We also have to take a look at our Appraise Windows software. The difference between this and Appraise ASP is Appraise Windows software is stored on your computer, whereas Appraise ASP, the software is on our computers, and just the data is stored on your computer. So there's a multiple of ways to get gift tax valuation from evaluation services. Bring this up here. Going to minimize this. And I want to bring up this picture. And bring myself over here. And at this point, I'd like to thank you for joining us for this brief introduction to the ESI-APPRAISE Gift Tax Valuations. If you have additional questions, you can either call us at 201-784-8500, or you can email us at accountinfo, ACCOUNTINFO, @appraisenj.net. And our fax number is 201-784-9685. All this information is to the right of me in that little slide. I'd like to thank you for sharing your valuable time with me. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.